Well, good morning, pre-K. It's Mrs. Hilt. We're going to have some calendar and math, but first, I want to share whose special day it is today. See if you can figure out by what I show you next. Ready? What day is it today? It's somebody's birthday. It's Jude's birthday today. Will you help me celebrate Jude by singing happy birthday with me? All right, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jude. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Yay! Well, Jude, we're so glad that you are here for us and with us in our class. And let's just take a couple of minutes and thank God for Jude and what he means to us. So close your eyes and you can pray with me. Dear God, thank you for Jude's birthday. Thank you that he is in our class. Would you protect Jude and grow him and help him as he becomes the young man you want him to be? Give him a great year, God, and a special day to celebrate with his family. Amen. Jude, we're so glad that it's your birthday, and we are sad that we can't do it with you and be there with you in person, but we love you, and we're here with you in spirit anyway, and I'm glad that we could sing to you today. So today is Jude's special day, and we have our calendar ready to go, class. So let's go ahead and do our calendar time for today. I'm going to pick up my trusty apple stick, and we're going to get going. All right, class, how many months are there in the year? Ready? There are 12 months in the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Hey, that starts with one of our letters for the week. October, November, December. What month are we in again? April. That's right. So let's count to see what number of April we're in. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. Now, what color do you think today is going to be? Jude, I want to hear your guess. We have red, blue, yellow, green. Red, blue, yellow, green. That's right. Today on the 8th, we have a green kite. Very good, and it's sharing your birthday. So we know that today is the 8th. We know that we're in the month of April, but I forgot something, didn't I, pre-K? What did I forget? We didn't do the days of the week. You're right. Let's sing them. How many days are there in the week? 7. Let's sing. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So what day was I on when I got to the today sign? I was on Wednesday. That's right. If you said Wednesday, you're correct. So repeat after me, class. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Say it by yourself now. Ready? Good. Let's say it again. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. That's right. What is tomorrow going to be? Our green sign for tomorrow. If today is Wednesday, what is the day that comes after Wednesday? Let's find out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Did you say Thursday? You are correct. Okay, Now we know that tomorrow is going to be Thursday. What number date is going to be tomorrow? If today was the 8th, what would tomorrow be? Tomorrow would be the number after 8. Let's see. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. Did you say 9th? Then you're correct. Good job. Tomorrow is going to be Thursday, April 9th. So today is Wednesday, April 8th. Tomorrow will be Thursday, April 9th. We don't have a 9 there. We will be adding it the next time, but that's all right. So our number for today is 8. So we want to draw or write the number 8 on our day of the month. Do you have your paper and your pencil with you? If not, pause the video and go ahead and grab it. All right, we're going to make an 8. How do we do that? We make an S, but do not wait. Climb back up and blast off. Does yours look like that? Oh, good. Did yours stop on the line? Oh, good. I'm glad to hear that. Good job. All right, well, we know that what today's date is. Let's find out how many days of school we've had. Yesterday, we have so many. It's so colorful in here. And yesterday, we put up the number 78, and that was on a brown square. Which color comes after the brown square? Let's look. There's brown. Ooh. After brown comes, let's go again. There's a brown one. What color comes after it? Let's try another one. There's a brown one. If you said black comes after brown, you are correct. Today's card color is going to be black, because after brown comes black in our number line. Now the tricky part is to find out what number comes on the black card. So yesterday we counted by 1s. Today we're going to count by 5s. Remember, when we count by 5s, we're counting the cards that have the 5 on them, which we found out was the dark green, and we're counting the cards that have 0 the hero on them, which are white. So we're going to count all the cards that either are dark green or white, and we're going to say the number that's on them. Okay, so here we go. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, and now we have to count by 1s. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 79. Let's check to make sure we have the right number. We know it's going to be black, and we think it's going to be a 79. Let's check to see if there's at least a 9 on all the other black cards. Do you see a 9? I do too. Let's check the next black one. Do you see a 9? I do too. Good for you. Let's check one more just to be safe. There's the black card. Do you see a 9? Yes, I do too. It's a little hard with the glare on that one, but it is. It's a 9. So there's another number on it too. It says 49. This says 59. This says 69. It sounds like all of our black cards have a 9 on them. So let's go back and write the number that we need on our black card. So we're going to write a 79. Here's my tripod. See how all my fingers are close together, thumb bent, pointer points the tip, tall man's using his side, and let's write slide right, slant left, and then the 9. Backward circle all the way around, close it up tight, and then pull down. There is our 79. Way to go, pre-K. So I've got my tape on this already. I'm just trying to close up my pen here. I've got my tape on this. Oh no, I lost it. Here it goes. Okay, and I have to use my chair again because I am definitely not tall enough to be able to do this without a chair. So I'm gonna go up one more. There's 79. What do you think I'm gonna do with tomorrow's number? You know what? I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. Hopefully that won't be confusing, but I'm gonna go that way. That way we take the numbers all the way around. It's like a border around our letters. That'll be really fun. Okay, so class, let's take a look at our counting tape. Remember, yesterday, we were looking at our pattern and we found out that we were doing an A, B, C, D pattern. We had 4 colors, so we had 4 letters representing those colors. But the question yesterday was, what is today's letter going to be? We found out that it's a green number 8. So let's find out if we can figure out what number or what letter is going to go above that green number 8. Let's check. Let's first count our counting tape. Say with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what we don't know yet is what letter from our pattern is going to go above the 8. Do you have a guess? Do you think it's going to be A? Why not? Ooh, because A has red. Is today's kite red? Nope. Okay, how about D? There's a green one. Do you think that's right? That's right. So we have the green kite has a letter D. We have a green kite here, so it must be the letter D. It's not a mystery anymore, is it? I'm getting my pen out, and I'm going to write D. D is starting at the top, right? Pull down, back to the top, forward circle down to the bottom. There's my D. Is that an okay D? All right, very good. Okay, so we have our counting tape for today, and we have our days in school. And let's see, what else did we do? Oh, I know what. I have my green mat here, my math mat, and I want to label the cards, or not label, but put the cards in order. So if you have your 10 through 20 counting cards, go ahead and get those out. You can pause the video. Okay, welcome back. Okay, so I have my cards here, and I want to order them so that they are in order from 10 through 20 or 11 through 20. So let's see. Put them all right side up so you can see them. And I'm just going to kind of make 2 rows. What should be my first number that I put in order? My lowest card is 11. So that's going to go first. What number comes after 11? Let's see. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do you see a 12 here? That's right. That's the numeral 12. So I'm going to put the 12 next door to that. What comes after 12? 10, 11, 12, 13. Do we have a 13 here? Stop me when I get to it. That's right, that's a 13. 13, 11, 12, and 13 are a little hard because we don't say 1 teen and 2 teen and 3 teen. They have a little different names for them. So we have 11, 12, 13. It kind of sounds like it wants to say 3, but it says thir instead. So 13. What is our next number? Let's see, 11, 12, 13, 15. Okay, do we say a 15? What? I hear you calling to me. Oh, really? Okay, so 15 isn't the right number next? Well, what is the right number? 11, 12, 13. Oh, 14. Oh, is this a 14? Oh, good. Thank you for correcting me. Okay, so we have 11, 12, 13, 14, now 15. Let's see, what numbers do I have here? I hear a 5th. 5th kind of sounds like a number I know that's called 5. There's a 5, and there's the teen part, the 10, right? So 15, yep, that's it. Okay, after 15 comes 16. Did you hear a 6 in the 16? Ooh, there's a 6 right here. There we go. 17 is my next one. Uh-oh, Mrs. Hilt is missing her 17. I should have double-checked this before I started. I don't see it anywhere, so we're going to have to write in a number 17. Too bad. All right, I'm going to write in the number 17 here. I'm going to write on my math mat. Now, you don't write on your math mat. I'm just going to write on mine because I can erase it later. There's my 17. Okay, what about the next one? 18. There we go. 19. And 20. 20. There we go. Let's count them again together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well, good job. Thanks for helping me get those in order. You know what? You can play this a couple more times on your own. You can scramble up all the numbers and then put them in order from 11 to 20. Have fun with that. Now, I want to talk with you about one more thing. We've talked before about things that are rectangular, that are cubed, that are not just circles, but they're spheres. And we've even sorted things by shape and by color and by size. And there's another thing that we're going to talk about today. It's called weight. Weight is how much something is to carry. Is it really heavy or is it really light? So let's pretend that we're doing light or heavy, okay? Light or heavy. Notice when we say light, my voice goes up, my hand goes up like it's waving. It likes to float. It's floaty, right? Because it doesn't weigh very much. It's light. But if I say heavy, did you see how I kind of went down like that? Heavy. Even my voice went heavy. It went down because heavy means that it weighs a lot. So if your mom's bringing in the groceries and you see like she has 10 bags on every arm and she's just going like this, chances are she thinks that her load is heavy. But maybe you're holding a bunch of balloons and you're having a hard time holding them because they're flying everywhere, because they're light and they want to go different places. So there are things that are light and there are things that are heavy. I have a few things here on one of the desks, and we're going to figure out if they're light or heavy or heavier or heaviest. Heaviest is the biggest, the one that weighs the most. Heaviest. All right, here we go. I have here a book. It's not a small book, though. It's a big book. Some of you used to read this a lot in my class, so you can probably remember that this takes some weight. It takes some strength to do that. Then I have a pencil, and then I have a Kleenex, a tissue. Ooh, see how that floats? And then I have a cylinder of wipes. So it's, if I drop it, it doesn't really float, does it? Okay, so let's find out which one is the light one. If I am holding this because it's small, I wonder if that might be the lightest one. Oh, that's even just kind of floats down, doesn't it? Which one do you think is the light one? I think it might be the Kleenex. It's very light. If you were here and we could just, woo, it just kind of floats to the ground. If I pick up the pencil is not heavy, but it's not light. It's not the lightest, I should say. Definitely the Kleenex is lighter than the pencil. The pencil, if I drop it, it doesn't really float. It goes right down, okay? So if I was starting to put this in order, I might put Kleenex as the light and pencil as the next. Now this is the hard part. We know these are heavy because if I go, that just, it does not float, right? And then if I have this, that doesn't float either. So this one's a little harder, you know, to figure out which one weighs more. There are things, maybe even in your parents' bathroom or your bathroom, called a scale. And you could put these items on a scale and find out the numbers. And the numbers would represent how many pounds it is. And so you could find out. In this classroom, I actually think that the book is the heaviest. So I gave you 4 words. I said light, heavy, heavier, heaviest. And that's what I would put them in order. I would say Kleenex is light, pencil is heavy, although it's not really heavy, but in this case it is. Heavier, heaviest, because this one weighs the most, I think, just from feeling it, right? Oh, that takes a little more effort. Ooh, that takes a lot of effort. This, not so much effort. And this, no effort at all. So we have light, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Okay, so your challenge today then is to go find some things in your house that are light or that you think are heavy. And you can decide. You can even play a game with your sibling with it. You can check a few things, get a few things around your house and say, oh, which one do you think is lighter? The feather or the pen cap? Or what do you think is lighter, a penny or a book? And you can play that game at home and have fun with that. All right, well, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Happy birthday, Jude. Bye-bye.